Here we go, my friends. The Faster Master's apartment in Portugal. So what do we have in here? We have ironing board. We have the kitchen. Plenty of caffeine for the Faster Master. You get a wash machine. What's in the fridge? What's in the Faster Master's fridge? Pellegrino, of course, my friends. Bit of Pellegrino, bit of milk. Perfect apartment for cooking, cleaning, dishwasher, all your utensils that are needed. Tiny little banana here. Let's move onwards, my friends. Flight's very soon, so I'm rushing this. Everything's a rush, rush, rush. Here's my bedroom. No too keen in it. Bit of a bad vibe, tiny little window. To be honest, I slept on the couch. It wasn't really my thing. But it's fine. Whoop, there's me. So bathroom. That's my bathroom. All good. There's one for the muff. One for his and hers. Into here, there's my son's. He gets the master. He's the mini master, I'm the faster master. His bedroom is much better, obviously, since it's his birthday gift. Big ensuite. Both of us having two bathrooms was fantastic. There's his view out of his balcony, which is fantastic, of the ocean. But yeah, excellent bedroom for him. And his own bathroom, of course. My bedroom, my own bathroom. Seating area, if you want to have a meal at night. Pellegrino, of course. TV, Wi-Fi was not too bad. Fine for YouTube and stuff like that. For uploading, not at all, but you know, not everybody's a vlogger. Little couch, I slept in that because what was fantastic is I could lie with the doors opened and just have the sea breeze and listen to the sea at night and just have the sea air, you know, just going up my nostrils and just relaxing because it is still quite warm at night. So you go out to the balcony, you get seating area and sun, chairs, decks, things, whatever they're called. And it's not normally noisy, that's just them cutting the grass. You've got a beautiful view of the ocean, the Portuguese ocean as it's known. And yeah, fantastic. So here, we were here 4 days. I'll show you the prices and things like that, but it's beautiful. Weather's excellent. About 23 degrees today, and it's the 7th of November. But as you can see, I'm rushing it because trying to balance so many things, as it is being an individual, you know, in life. But excellent apartment, no issues whatsoever. Onwards, my friends.